Are you tired of picking the wrong colors for your home decor? Do you find it hard to create the perfect palette that brings your space to life? Well, you're not alone. Choosing the right colors can completely transform the vibe of a room, but it can also feel overwhelming. That's why in today's video, we'll show you exactly how to mix 16 stunning colors to create the ultimate home decor palette. Whether you're redesigning a living room, bedroom, or even a small nook, these tips will guide you step by step to make sure you get it just right. Let's dive into color mixing magic and turn your home into a masterpiece. Color is one of the most powerful tools in interior design, and it's no secret that the right palette can make all the difference in how a room feels. But how do you choose the right colors? How do you know if they'll work together to create a harmonious and balanced look? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of color mixing in home decor. I'll be sharing 16 color combinations you can use to achieve a perfectly coordinated look in any room. We'll also cover some important color theory basics, give you tips on selecting the right shades, and teach you how to use the color wheel for optimal results. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to confidently mix colors and create a beautiful, cohesive space that feels just right. Let's get started. Color plays a fundamental role in home decor. Whether you're redesigning a single room or working on a full home makeover, choosing the right colors can completely alter the feel and vibe of your space. From creating a calming atmosphere in a bedroom to adding energy to a living room, color has the power to transform any environment. However, with so many options available, selecting a color palette can often feel overwhelming. Fortunately, understanding the basics of color theory and how to mix colors can simplify this process. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to mix 16 beautiful colors that will elevate your home decor. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create the perfect color palette for any space in your home. Before diving into color mixing, it's important to understand the basic principles behind color theory. Color theory serves as a guide for combining colors in a visually appealing way, helping you to create balanced and harmonious designs. The three primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, are the foundation of color theory. These colors cannot be created by mixing any other colors, but they can be combined in various ways to create a wide range of secondary and tertiary colors. Red, blue, and yellow are the building blocks of all other colors in the spectrum, and knowing how they interact with each other is key to creating effective palettes. When you mix two primary colors together, you create secondary colors. These are green, yellow plus blue, orange, red plus yellow, and purple, blue plus red. Secondary colors are often the first step in experimenting with color mixing, as they give you a broader range of tones to work with. Tertiary colors are created by mixing a primary color with a secondary color. These colors are even more complex and can offer unique shades, giving you additional options when creating a palette. For example, mixing red with orange creates red-orange, and mixing blue with green creates blue-green. Understanding how these combinations work will open up endless possibilities when selecting colors for your space. Color theory also provides a tool to help organize and mix colors effectively: the color wheel. The color wheel is a visual guide to show how colors relate to one another. Using the wheel, you can create complementary, analogous, and triadic color schemes. Complementary colors are colors that sit directly opposite each other on the color wheel. For example, red and green, or blue and orange. These pairs create a striking contrast, and when used in home decor, they can bring balance and vibrancy to a room. Analogous colors are those that sit next to each other on the color wheel, such as blue, blue-green, and green. These colors create a sense of harmony. and are often used in spaces where you want a more unified, subtle look. Triadic color schemes involve using 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel, like red, yellow, and blue. Triadic schemes can be bold and dynamic, offering a balance of color that's both playful and aesthetically pleasing. Understanding the difference between warm and cool colors is another important aspect of color selection. Warm colors, such as reds, yellows, and oranges, can make a room feel cozy, energetic, and inviting. Cool colors like blues, greens, and purples tend to have a calming, tranquil effect, making them ideal for spaces designed for relaxation. Lighting plays a crucial role in how colors appear in a room. Natural light can enhance the vibrancy of colors, while artificial lighting may soften or alter their appearance. For instance, a vibrant red can look intense and bold under natural light, but might appear more muted in dim light. This is why it's essential to test your chosen colors under the lighting conditions of the room before making a final decision. When choosing a color palette for your home, you need to think about the mood you want to create in the room. For example, a bedroom might benefit from cool tones like blues or greens to create a restful environment, while a living room could use warm tones like oranges or reds to make the space feel inviting and dynamic. Once you've understood the basics of color theory, it's time to dive into specific combinations. Here are 16 stunning color combinations that you can mix and match for the perfect palette in your home decor. For a living room with a modern vibe, consider pairing a light gray wall with pops of mustard yellow in the furniture. This mix of neutral and bold tones creates a sophisticated yet lively atmosphere. Another dynamic combo is navy blue with white accents, which can bring elegance and simplicity to any room. For a bedroom, try using soft pastel hues like lavender and pale pink, balanced with a creamy white. This combination will create a serene, calming environment, perfect for rest and relaxation. Alternatively, dark teal paired with copper accents creates a rich, luxurious feel, ideal for a sophisticated bedroom. If you prefer more earthy tones, try blending warm terracotta with muted greens and soft browns. This natural palette works well in spaces where you want a grounded, organic feel. For a more vibrant option, a bright coral color combined with deep green can make your living or dining area feel fresh and energetic. When working with a larger space like an open-plan kitchen and living area, consider using shades of blue and gray with natural wood accents. These colors blend well together and create a harmonious, inviting atmosphere. If you want to bring in a sense of warmth, adding golden yellow accents can balance the cool tones, making the space feel balanced. Lastly, if you're working with a small space, a soft, monochromatic color scheme, like varying shades of white or light gray, can help make the room appear larger while maintaining a cohesive look. You can always add pops of color with art or decor accessories in vibrant hues like teal, red, or gold. By understanding the basics of color theory, how to use the color wheel, and experimenting with these color combinations, you can confidently choose colors for any room in your home. The right color palette not only enhances the aesthetics of your space, but also sets the mood and atmosphere for the activities that take place in it. Remember, the key to mixing colors in home decor is finding a balance between bold and subtle tones and making sure the palette aligns with the purpose of the space. Once you've mixed and matched your colors, don't forget to test them out in your room's lighting to ensure they create the desired effect. If you enjoyed these tips and are ready to start mixing your own color palettes, hit the subscribe button for more interior design inspiration. We'll keep sharing creative and practical ways to help you design the home of your dreams.